This 2013 Keystone Passport Express SL 199 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Jackson, Michigan, 49202 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Jackson. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.